Hello. Today we start a last topic in a chapter ITS Intelligent Transportation System. Topic is a e-ticket. So all of you know about the e-ticket. So what is e-ticket? So it's a electronic ticket and it is more efficient method of ticket of any entry processing and marketing for a companies in the airline, railways and other transportation system. And also e-ticket also provide in a entertainment industry also, like in a theater, drama hall, etc. So an electronic ticket means e-ticket is a paperless electronic document used for ticketing passenger, particularly in the commercial airlines industry, and virtually all major airlines now use this method for ticketing. Now e-ticket for airlines transport provide the some of the details. So here detail is given. First one is an official ticket number, so like including the airline 3-digit ticket code, 4-digit ticket code from the number, and 6-digit serial number, and something check digits. And second is a carrier's term and condition. Third one is a fare and tax detail, including the fare calculation detail, and some additional data such as tour code. So like if the travel from one place to another place, so code is given like 1 2 3 4 etc. So tour code is also written in a e-ticket, and a short summary of the free fare restriction, and usually satisfying only whether charges or refund are permitted but not penalty to which they are subject. And next is e-ticket. In a e-ticket also provide a form of payment, issuing office, and baggage allowance. So these are the some of the uh, important important details provided in a documents like e-ticket. Now generally nowadays e-ticket also used in railway also. So here the Indian Railway Catering Tourism Corporation Limited, IRCTC Limited. So PSU of Military of Railway have developed a system for advance booking railway ticket through internet. So all of you know about the advance booking, like before 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, etc. We book the railway ticket, and we generate the e-ticket from the internet. And here the website for online registration or booking for a railway ticket is www.irctc.co.in. Now booking process are simple and easy. So here some of the supportive shops also there. So like in some of the shop e-ticket booking is also done. So we are easily book the ticket for any particular date for a traveling purpose. Now Indian Railway offer a cashless ticketing option to his customer through the internet ticket on IRCTC website for booking the reserved ticket, and more than 58% of the train accommodation in a reserve through e-ticketing. So here e-ticket by IRCTC is helpful for protecting the environment by saving the paper. E-ticket holders are now permitted to travel without printout of ticket and can travel with SMS sent by the ITCTC along with the valid photo ID proof and in original. And here e-ticketing also helpful in saving the environment by controlling the pollution, as people do not have to travel the rail reservation office to buy ticket. And e-ticket can book from the comfort of home and offices, and they are and this is not only save the air pollution, also save the noise pollution. So here some of the advantages and disadvantages for the e-ticketing is given. So first one is cheaper for the airlines. Second is no piece of paper to misplace. Third advantage is as per the well designed operation and reduce the processing time. Fourth one is easy to keep record for business travel. Fifth one is less chance of ticket theft. And sixth one is e-ticketing has streamlined some of the airport check-in process, and some airlines allow you to use the self check-in kiosk, skipping the long time airline ticket desk. And next advantage, you can purchase the print e-ticket anytime 24 hours of the day. And you can also pay the e-ticket with your credit card or online net banking, so it's easy for payment and easy for booking. Now here some of the also disadvantages for the e-ticket is there. So if you have a system crash and don't backup appropriately, can lose the information. No uh, ticket is placed in a scrapbook, and fear of change is also one of the disadvantages of the e-ticket. Now here last topic is a smart mobility. So urban mobility can have been an important engine for the growth of process of modern city. Now in a smart city, mobility referred not just to move within the city and delivery of good from one place to another place, means starting and destination, we easily move the goods. Now it also means technology like city-wide wireless communication and real-time monitoring of the traffic flow, as well as flexibility reaction to problems. And in addition, mobility in a smart city is customized through the well developed communication infrastructure. Now our city are faced with a rapid mobilization. This has led to serve the congestion, deterioration air quality, and increase the inadequate of a road accident and rapid increase in the energy bill. Now walking and cycling have been unsafe due to poor infrastructure, and public transport has been inadequate. So the far urban transport planning and emphasize provide the personal motor vehicle, and public motor system have been planned in isolation, while the result that well integrated multimodal system has not come up. Now smart mobility include the intelligent mobility like advanced traffic management system, so it's ATMS. Next is a parking management, and ITS embedded transportation pricing system. Now here measure to improve the mobility. So here uh, intelligent mobility is one of the key aspect for the smart city, toward which the worldwide are starting the most interesting transportation, either through the structural investment and also low cost investment. And smart mobility also we use in a smart city. And here in a smart mobility we also use the bike sharing, car sharing or carpooling policies, also introduced in a interchange parking space when leave the owner car to continue with other owner. Environmental impact means, and introducing of the intelligent traffic light, taking the real time count of the car flow, as now happen in several cities in the US. And realization as Netherlands and France, solar photovoltaic cycle paths is also there for smart improve in mobility. And cycling is the one of the most efficient and environment friendly sustainable mode in a smart city. And uh, if cities are not to be efficient to engines of electronic growth, it is important that towards the able the move from production center to consumption center at a lowest cost and high speed. Now hence improve the mobility with involve a three prong approach, whereby there are first one is improve in public transportation. Like in a public transportation we include the rail, BRTS, metro, monorail, trams, etc. And improvement in infrastructure for other motor vehicle like ring road, bypass, underpass, or elevated road, and improve in existing roadway. And next is improvement in infrastructure for walkway, cycling, and waterway. And smart traffic system and route might bring may informational source, and possibilities are yet used in a criticism management. And example are smart cars themselves, their ability to communicate between themselves, and environment allowed to use the collective data about traffic flow. And contribution to individual safety for a smart car passenger in also the possibility of a modification of the predetermined mobile contract and emergency call about the traffic accident. So here we complete our chapter intelligent transportation system. Thank you.